Meeting an old friend on the street. Excuse me, are you Andy?
Yes, I am. Do I know you?
We worked together at Green Tech 5 years ago.
Oh, now I remember. Your name is Mina.
Yes, exactly. It has been such a long time.
Almost 5 years. How have you been?
I have been very well, thank you. How about you?
Pretty good. Life is busy as always.
Do you still work at Green Tech?
No, I left 2 years ago.
Really? Where do you work now?
I have my own small web design business now.
That is wonderful news. Congratulations.
Thank you. What about you these days?
I still work in design at a new company.
That is great. You always loved design work.
Yes, I still love it very much.
Are you in a hurry right now?
Not really. I was just going to grab lunch.
What a coincidence. I was going to lunch too.
Would you like to eat lunch together?
Yes, that would be really nice.
Do you know the small cafe on Oak Street?
Yes, their fresh sandwiches and soups are delicious.
Great, let's go there together and catch up properly.
Perfect. It is so good to see you again.
Same here, what a happy surprise today.
The cafe is just 5 minutes away.
Wonderful, lead the way.
After you, let's enjoy our lunch.
Buying cold water at a shop. Hello, do you have cold water here?
Yes, of course. We have many kinds.
I would like 1 bottle of still water, please.
What size would you like today?
How big is the medium bottle?
It is half a liter.
That is perfect for me.
Here you go. It is straight from the fridge.
Wow, it feels so cold and refreshing.
It is very hot outside today.
Yes, I have been walking for hours.
You must be very thirsty then.
Extremely thirsty. Do you sell small snacks too?
Yes, we have potato chips and cookies.
I will take a small bag of salted chips, please.
Good choice. Here is your bag of chips.
How much is everything together?
The water is $2 and the chips are $1.50.
So $3.50 total.
Exactly right.
Here is my card. I will tap it on the machine.
Done. Payment accepted.
Is there a place to sit nearby?
Yes, there is a wooden bench across the street.
Is it in the shade?
Yes, right under the big green tree.
That sounds wonderful. Thank you so much.
You are very welcome. Stay cool today.
Thank you. Have a great afternoon.
You too, goodbye.
Checking into a hotel. Good evening. I have a room booking for tonight. Good evening. Welcome to our hotel. Thank you. The travel trip was very long today. I am sure you are tired. What is your name, please? My name is Mina Wilson. Let me search for your reservation in the system. Of course, take your time. Yes, I found it. 3 nights in a single room. Yes, that is correct. With a city view, please. Perfect. May I see your passport, please? Yes, here is my passport. Thank you. And a credit card for extra charges. Here is my credit card. Thank you. Your room is on the 5th floor. What is my room number? You are in room 512. Where is the elevator located? Just to your right, near the big plants. Thank you. Is breakfast included in my stay? Yes, every morning from 6:30 to 10. Where is breakfast served? In the restaurant on the 2nd floor. Wonderful. What time is checkout on my last day? Checkout is at 12 noon. Perfect. I will remember that. Here is your room key card and Wi-Fi password. Thank you very much for your help. Have a wonderful stay with us. Thank you. Good night. Good night. Buying a gift in a souvenir shop.
Hello, I am looking for a nice gift.
Hello, welcome to our souvenir shop.
Do you have gifts from this city?
Yes, who is the special gift for?
It is for my mother back home.
How lovely, what does she like?
She loves art, bright colors, and pretty things.
We have these beautiful handmade scarves.
Wow, they are so colorful.
Local artists made them by hand.
How much is one scarf?
They are $25 each.
That is a very fair price.
Which color would your mother like best?
My mother loves the color blue.
This blue one is very popular and super soft.
It feels wonderful. I will take this blue scarf.
Excellent choice. Anything else for you today?
Do you have small postcards of the city bridge?
Yes, we have postcards for $2 each.
I will take 2 bridge postcards as well.
Can I wrap the scarf in gift paper for you?
Yes, that would be wonderful, thank you.
Your total comes to $29.
Here is $30 cash.
Thank you, and here is your $1 change.
Thank you for your wonderful help.
You are welcome. Have a safe trip home.
Thank you. Have a great day.
Goodbye.
Talking to a pharmacist about medicine. Good afternoon. I need some help, please.
Good afternoon. What can I do for you today?
My stomach has been hurting all day.
I am sorry to hear that. When did it start?
It started after lunch yesterday afternoon.
Did you eat something unusual or new?
Yes, I ate some very spicy food.
That might be the cause of your stomach pain.
Do you have medicine that can help me?
Yes, these tablets work very well for stomach pain.
How should I take this medicine?
Take one tablet after each meal, 3 times a day.
For how many days should I take them?
Take them for 3 days until you feel better.
Are there any side effects with this medicine?
It might make you feel a little sleepy.
That is okay for me. I can rest at home.
Remember to drink lots of warm water too.
Should I avoid any foods for now?
Yes, eat simple foods like rice and bread today.
No spicy food again for a few days.
Exactly, keep your meals light and simple.
How much is this box of stomach medicine?
The medicine is $8 for one box.
That is very reasonable. I will take it.
Do you need any vitamin C tablets today too?
Yes, please. Vitamin C helps me stay healthy.
Here is a bottle of vitamin C for $5.
Great, so the total is $13.
Yes, exactly $13 total.
Here is my card. I will tap it here.
Payment accepted. Take care and feel better soon.